Hello and welcome to our channel Income Mastery. Today we're going to show you what are some of the laziest way to make money online. Make sure to watch until the last method because it's one of the easiest ways that can make you money from home. Method number 1. Online surveys. Let's talk about the easiest way to make some quick cash. Taking online surveys. It's as simple as signing up for survey websites like SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Taluna. Once you've completed your profile, surveys will start showing up in your inbox. And the best part? You can answer these surveys whenever you have some free time, whether it's during your lunch break or while watching TV. Not only is taking online surveys an effortless way to earn some extra cash, but it's also a great way to voice your opinion on various topics. Companies and organizations are always seeking feedback on their products and services, and you can help by completing these surveys. Plus, with each survey you complete, you'll get paid a certain amount, which can quickly add up to a significant sum. So if you're looking for a quick and straightforward way to earn some cash, online surveys are the way to go. Sign up, share your opinions, and get paid. It's that simple. Method number 2. Online tutoring. Do you have a passion for teaching and expertise in a particular subject? If so, online tutoring may be the perfect way for you to earn some extra cash. With platforms like TutorMe, Skillshare, and Chegg, you can connect with students who need help in your area of expertise and share your knowledge with them from the comfort of your own home. Online tutoring is a flexible and convenient way to make money, as you can set your own schedule and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Plus, you have the satisfaction of knowing that you're making a positive impact on someone's education. Whether you're an expert in math, science, language arts, or any other subject, there's likely a demand for your skills in the online tutoring market. And with more and more students turning to online learning, the demand for online tutors is only going to increase. You can easily earn more than $100 a day, even if you are a beginner. So, if you're looking for a rewarding and flexible way to make some extra money, consider signing up as an online tutor. Who knows, you may even discover a newfound love for teaching and decide to pursue it as a career. Method number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a smart and easy way to earn money online without breaking a sweat. With minimal effort required, this third method is definitely worth considering. All you need to do is promote someone else's product or service through your unique link and earn a commission for every sale made. It's as simple as that. Promoting products through social media, your blog, or website is a breeze when it comes to affiliate marketing. With the help of platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank, you can easily find affiliate programs for a wide range of products and services. This makes it easier than ever for you to share your unique affiliate link with the world and start earning commissions. So whether you're an influencer on social media, a blogger, or a website owner, there's an affiliate program out there for everyone. But what are some of best products to earn profits from? There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as the commission rates for affiliate marketing can vary greatly depending on the product or service being promoted and the affiliate program being used. Generally, products that have a higher price point or subscription-based services can offer a higher commission rate than lower-priced items. Digital products such as courses or ebooks can also offer higher commission rates as they typically have low overhead costs for the seller. It's important to consider the demand for the product or service, as well as the target audience and their buying behavior. For example, promoting products that are popular during certain seasons or events can be more lucrative. Additionally, choosing an affiliate program that offers recurring commissions can be a smart strategy for long-term earning potential. So, why not give it a try? With the potential to earn a decent income without putting in a lot of work, affiliate marketing is an attractive option for those looking to make some extra cash. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Start promoting products today and watch the commissions roll in. Method number 4. Virtual assistant. Are you the type of person who enjoys organizing schedules and managing tasks? If so, then becoming a virtual assistant may be the perfect job for you. As a virtual assistant, you can work from the comfort of your own home and assist businesses or individuals with a variety of tasks, such as email management, scheduling, and social media management. Gone are the days of rushing to an office and dealing with office politics. Virtual assistants have the flexibility to work on their own terms and create their own schedules. Not only does this job provide a sense of freedom, but it also allows for the development of important skills such as communication and time management. If you're ready to become a virtual assistant, there are plenty of websites that can help you get started. Websites like Zirtual and Fancy Hands connect virtual assistants with clients in need of their services. With just a few clicks, you can set up your profile and start assisting clients from around the world. So if you're looking for a job that allows you to work from home, provides flexibility, and allows for skill development, consider becoming a virtual assistant. Who knows, this could be the perfect career for you. Method number 5. Start print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand, or POD, is a business model that allows creators and entrepreneurs to sell their designs on various products without the need for inventory or production costs. Selling printables can be relatively easy compared to other types of businesses. Selling printables is a low-cost business model as there are no production or shipping costs involved. This means that the profit margins are much higher than traditional physical businesses. With the right software and skills, you can create and sell your designs without the need for physical materials. Once a customer purchases a POD product, they can download and print it immediately, which means that there is no need for storage or fulfillment centers. Another reason why selling POD is easy is that it can be done from anywhere in the world, as long as there is an internet connection. This makes it a flexible option for those who want to work from home or while traveling. There are several popular POD websites available for creators and entrepreneurs to start an online business. These websites include Redbubble, Etsy, and Teespring, which provide a vast range of products to print designs on. Moreover, Printful and Printify are POD websites that provide a more comprehensive range of products such as clothing, accessories, and home decor. In general, POD websites present a low-risk and cost-effective way for creators and entrepreneurs to start their online business ventures. Method number 6. Online investing. Online investing is a simple and convenient way to make money without having to deal with the hassle of traditional investing. With websites like Robinhood and E-Trade, individuals can buy and sell stocks, options, and other securities online with ease. These platforms provide an easy-to-use interface that allows users to research and trade securities quickly and efficiently. Additionally, they often offer educational resources and tools that can help investors make informed decisions about their investments. Online investing also provides a level of flexibility and convenience that traditional investing cannot match. With the ability to trade securities online, investors can monitor their investments and make trades at any time, from anywhere in the world, as long as they have an internet connection. This allows for a more hands-on approach to investing, which can lead to better outcomes for investors. Online investing has become a popular and accessible option for individuals who want to invest in the stock market and earn money. The flexibility and convenience of online investing, coupled with the potential for significant returns, make it an attractive option for those looking to take control of their investments and achieve their financial goals. So consider online investing as a low-cost and convenient option to start investing and potentially grow your wealth. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to know more about websites that will pay you daily, check out that video right here, and we'll see you there.